Have you ever noticed your Wi Fi slow down when the microwave is on? Let's see why it is so. Microwave oven works at the frequency of 2.45 GHz, and the power produced in microwave oven is around thousands of watts, which is generated by magnetron. Even this oven is completely shielded with metal, there is some chance of microwave leakage. Even if we consider the leakage is 0.1 percentage, the leaked power will be around 1 watt because the total power produced in the oven is around thousands of watt. The Wi-Fi works at 2.45 GHz and sometimes at 5 GHz. Most common frequency is 2.45 GHz, and the power produced from the Wi-Fi router is very less, that is, it will be in the order of less than 1 watt. Both works in ISM frequency band 2.4 GHz to 2.5 GHz. So the microwave leakage from the oven interferes with the Wi-Fi signal, even if the leakage is very less. Due to this electromagnetic interference, it can cause the slowing down of Wi-Fi. So the solution to avoid this interference when you are turning on your microwave oven is to switch the Wi-Fi frequency to 5 GHz or move away the Wi-Fi router away from the microwave oven.